Hi, in this video we are going to see a 10 best content ideas for an expert, those who are a master into their field. So let's see. The first one is expert insights and advice. So these are the things where you can share your experience, your knowledge into your field, how to become a master, so that this will be a valuable to the people those are already interested. Let's consider the example of photographer. So related to photography, shoot, how to do all this type of content you can share. And yes, for that you can check this I button where I have created some ideas for the photographers. Might be that will be useful for you. So let's move on to the next idea where you can share case studies and success stories, where you can share your experience about your best projects, how you made that, what issues you faced, how challenges you overcome, and many things where the actual viewers are interested to know how they can improve. And yes, you're sharing these thoughts in your content will be a beneficial for them. The next one is mentorship and guidance. So in this type of content you can share some best strategies, expertise, and some ideas, tips, tricks to become a good expert into that respective field. Here is industry trends and innovation, where you can share a latest ideas about what particular things are happening into that particular field where you are expert. So these trends and latest update will be helpful to your viewers to stay updated. Next idea is how to, or a guide or a tutorial. So in this type of idea you can share something about in-depth knowledge of particular field where they can understand how to do. It can be a software or something. So create in-depth tutorials or ideas, content, videos into your field where it will give your viewers valuable insights. This is how it becomes, this is how you have to do, this is how you have to follow. So this can be a stepwise guide, like example installing some software or how to do some basic processes. This is how you have to handle. Next idea is interview with the experts, where in this type of content you can share ideas and thoughts with other experts. It can be a collaboration or some podcast or some interaction or communication, or you can have some travel or blog with that person and share their experience, your experience, and whatever the discussion between you and that people will going to be create a more value, where the new people are coming to understand and learn your field. And is personal experience and lesson you learn. This is definitely a great idea where people are always sharing a success story more, but the behind the scenes the new people are want to know how exactly this is going to happen, because initially everyone gets demotivated and feels something is not going well with us with respect to selecting some choose a field or career or anything. So if you're into a photography, then you can definitely guide them, share your experience, and you can have such a insights where they can understand this is how it happens, this is how it goes, and the process. So yes, definitely sharing your experiences will be a great idea for as a creator. The next one is industry challenges and the solutions. So in this type of content you can share the experience about common problems into your field and how to tackle them, how you provide the solution based on your experience and your learning from your past. So this can be helpful where other people will come up with a new query, and there is a possibility that you will get a more work, or you will have a better network into your circle. Next one is networking and professional development. So definitely you can share such a content or ideas where you can have experiences like you are attending some events which is technical, non-technical, or anything that belongs to your field. So the people or creator from respective field will be watching you. They are definitely interested as an example of photographer, you can attend some photo walks or events and some participate into contest or collaborate with other creators, something like this. So this will be a great idea to create a content. One is book review and recommend a resource. So this is the best idea where as a beginner everyone search for new courses and some resources where they can improve faster and grow better. So yes, everyone is coming to the YouTube and see how to do this, that. So definitely as an expert you can share something about what are the books you should refer, some review and your recommendation to them. I'm seeing such a beautiful bird. Sorry. So as an expert you can share your book review. Might be you have seen some, it can be a simple quote or it can be a something, some lines or some paragraph from some particular book. So you can recommend that people to, so that they can understand from you, learn and motivate themselves to grow into their life and definitely develop themselves. So that's it for this video, and I hope this was useful for you. And if you're expert, find your niche, understand what things you are already doing. You have invested your huge time into this, you are already doing your career, or might be you're on job or anything. Just come out. If you're interested, try, learn and share, and let me know, yes, you are expert. So in which field, comment down your field, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.